Welcome to the heart of the Central Valley, where the morning sun wakes up a landscape built on grit.
Right now, the trees are resting, but don't let the quiet fool you. Inside every one of these branches,
A world-class harvest starts from the ground up, and we make sure this orchard floor is as clean and ready as a professional stadium before game day.
from up here, you see the true scale of American ingenuity. Thousands of acres working in perfect harmony to feed a hungry world. When that first bud breaks, it's like a starting gun going off. It's the signal that spring is officially knocking on the door.
Folks call it Valley Snow. For a few weeks every February, these orchards turn into a masterpiece of white blossoms that you've got to see to believe.
Every single one of these flowers is a potential nut, but they need a little help from some very important visitors to get the job done.
This is the biggest migration of pollinators on the planet. We bring in the heavy hitters to make sure every block.
Watch that focus. These bees are the unsung heroes of the orchard, working double time to turn those blossoms into a bumper crop.
If you stand still and listen, you can hear the sound of the harvest being born. A low, steady hum of.
As the petals fall, the real work begins. The flowers fade away, leaving behind the start of something truly special. Look at that little guy. It doesn't look like much yet, but inside that fuzzy green jacket, an almond is starting to find its shape.
Water is liquid gold in California. We use high-tech drip systems to make sure every drop goes exactly where it's needed, right to the roots.
These leaves are the factory of the orchard, drinking up that California sunshine and turning it into the energy that grows a world-class nut.
By May, the orchard is a powerhouse of growth. The canopy is thick, the air is warm, and you can practically feel the energy in the rows.
We check them constantly. Right now, it's all about consistency and making sure that inner kernel is developing just the way it should.
When that July heat hits, the orchard really earns its keep. This is where the flavor locks in and the final countdown to harvest begins. This is the moment we wait for, the hull split. It's like the tree is opening up a gift, showing us the prize we've been tending all year.
The whole orchard starts to open up, letting the air and the sun finish the job of drying those nuts right on the branch.
It's a sight for sore eyes. Millions of gold flecks shining through the green. That's the look of a successful season right there.
We're grooming the floor now. Every bump and dip has to be smoothed out so our sweepers can pick up every single nut without leaving anything behind.
It's a game of patience now. We need that moisture level to hit the sweet spot so the nuts are crisp, crunchy, and ready for the shaker.
Hold on to your hats, folks, because the heavy cavalry just arrived. This is the shaker, the undisputed king of the almond harvest.
It's a delicate balance of raw power and a gentle touch. That grip has to be perfect before we let the vibration fly.
And boom, that's the sound of a whole year's work coming down at once. It's a nut storm, and it is a beautiful thing to see.
Look at them fly. It's raining California gold, and every one of those bounces is another step closer to your kitchen table.
The trees have done their job. Now the ground is paved with the harvest, just waiting for the sun to finish the drying process.
Next up is the sweeper. This machine is like a giant comb, taming the chaos and lining up the harvest into perfect golden rows.
Look at that consistency. These windrows are the result of precision engineering and a whole lot of orchard floor grooming.
We don't just pick them up, we condition them. We're sifting out the earth and making sure only the cleanest crop makes it to the next stage.
A few days in that intense valley sun is the final secret ingredient. It locks in that crunch and gets the nuts ready for the pickup.
This is the final lap in the field. The pickup machine is a marvel of efficiency, gathering the crop off the dirt and starting its journey to the huller.
It's a steady stream of success pouring into those wagons. The logistics have to be perfect to keep the harvest moving at this speed.
We're moving from the orchard to the highway now. These big rigs are the bridge between the farm and the processing plant. That's a lot of potential right there. One truck, 1 million almonds, and a whole lot of proud American farmers behind it.
With the truck on the road, the field work is finally done. It's time to see what all that sunshine and water turned into.
Welcome to the huller. This is where we strip away the field and find the nut that everyone's waiting for.
We unload at high speed to keep the plant humming. It's a relentless flow of fruit that doesn't stop until the last truck is empty.
First things first, we gotta get rid of the orchard debris. It's all about high-speed wind and vibrating screens to find the clean crop.
The huller is where the magic happens. We're peeling back that outer jacket to reveal the hard shell underneath.
Nothing goes to waste on an American farm. These holes are going to feed some happy cows, making the whole cycle sustainable.
Now we're getting to the good stuff. The sheller cracks the code, freeing that delicious almond from its protective house.
We use physics to do the heavy lifting, separating the kernel from the shell based on weight and airflow. It's a beautiful thing to watch.
This is 21st century farming. These cameras see what the human eye can't, ensuring only the most perfect almonds make the cut. Machines are great, but there's no substitute for the human eye. These folks are the last line of defense for our quality standards. Whether they're for snacking or baking, every almond has a destination, and we sort them out so they get exactly where they need to go.
We're chilling them down now, locking in that freshness and making sure those natural oils stay stable and delicious.
Load by load, the bins are filling up. This is the culmination of a year's worth of Valley Sun and hard work.
This is where the flavor really wakes up. A slow, even roast brings out that deep, nutty crunch that everyone loves.
You can practically smell it through the screen. We're toasting them to perfection, creating that signature American almond flavor.
A little seasoning goes a long way. We're adding just enough to highlight that natural flavor and give them that perfect savory finish.
Whether you like them smoky, sweet, or spicy, we've got a recipe that'll keep you coming back for more.
We let them cool down slow so the flavors can really set in. It's all about patience when you're building a world-class snack. From the field to the bag in a flash. This machine is a masterpiece of modern packaging, keeping our almonds fresh and crunchy.
We're locking the freshness in. That airtight seal means these almonds are going to taste just as good when you open them as the day they left the orchard.
We're checking the numbers now. Every bag has to be spot on because we believe in giving our customers exactly what they paid for. Final boxing, then it's on to the pallet. These almonds are officially ready to head out and meet the world.
In the quiet of our distribution center, the harvest waits for the final leg of its journey to your local grocery store.
This is it, the final bridge. Our trucks are hitting the road, carrying the taste of California to every corner of the country.
Across the mountains and through the plains, the American almond is on its way to bring a little sunshine to your day.
The journey is almost over. Our almonds have arrived at the hub of the community, ready to find their place on the shelf.
We take pride in the display, making sure our almonds are easy to find and looking their absolute best for you.
When you reach for a bag of California almonds, you're picking up a year of sunshine and the hard work of a whole lot of American families.
Whether it's for a quick snack or a healthy boost, there's an almond flavor for every taste and every occasion.
The almond is a culinary chameleon, perfect for everything from gluten-free baking to the finest gourmet desserts.
And it's not just about the crunch. Almond milk has become an American staple, providing a healthy, delicious alternative for everyone. The journey is finally complete. The harvest has found its way to your home, ready to be enjoyed by the ones you love.
That sound? That's the sound of freshness being unleashed. Go ahead, dive in, you've earned it.
Look at that golden brown finish. Every one of those nuts is a little bite-sized explosion of California flavor.
It's the ultimate snack. Simple, healthy, and packed with enough energy to keep you going through your busiest day.
There it is, that signature American almond crunch. It's a sound that says quality louder than words ever could.
They bring the texture, they bring the taste. Sliced, diced, or whole, the almond makes every meal just a little bit better.
From a simple snack to a 5-star dinner, the almond is the secret weapon in kitchens all across this great nation.
It's the perfect way to kickstart your morning, fueling your body with the very best of what our orchards have to offer.
The best things in life are meant to be shared. The almond is a part of our traditions, our celebrations, and our community.
Giving your kids a healthy boost they'll actually enjoy, that's a win in any parent's book.
When you're out exploring this great country, the almond is the perfect partner to keep you moving toward the next peak.
It's the finishing touch, the final note of perfection that brings everything together in one delicious bite.
At the end of the year, we're just proud to be stewards of this land, growing something that brings a little health and a lot of joy to your table.